So now other people say, well, Anthony, what do you mean? So far I've showed you, let's do a recap. I've showed you the letter process, what goes in the envelope. I've showed you the resource on how to find free, totally free, for sale by owners and expired listings, right? Free, okay? You're already getting FMLS because you've already paid your monthly $85 a month here at EXP. And here's a paid version. If you don't want to search it every day, you just want it automatically to come to you for whatever the price is. I think it was 59 bucks, right? And so the last piece is, well, Anthony, what do you mean by a certified letter? So this is what you would mail to them. Now, key point, I'm showing you handwritten envelopes. That means you should do a handwritten envelope. Handwritten envelope. Did I say handwritten envelope? Because you should do a handwritten envelope. You shouldn't do a computerized or type envelope for you guys to try to make stuff pretty, because it will not work. Now, some mail houses now have a machine that writes handwritten if you want to do this to thousands of people across your metro city, right? But remember, I told you should do 100. So you should do a handwritten letter. You should just, in the upper left-hand corner, you could just put your address, whatever it is. You don't have to put your name and all that formal stuff. And then you will send them a handwritten envelope. Because when people get a certified letter, and matter of fact, at the time of this video, it's $4.60 per envelope, $4.60. So if you're mailing out 100, you're paying, what is that? $46 a month or $460 a month, something like that. What's a listing worth to you? Even if it costs you 460 bucks a month, one listing is worth minimum, depending on your market, $10,000, right? 30% are going to respond. Out of that 30% that respond, 50% are going to work with you. So now you're down to 15. And then something's going to go wrong with those 15. And now you're closing 7 to 8 deals a month. Or you're listing 7 to 8 houses a month, right? So here's how you get to 100 listings a year, right? Even if you only 50% of them sell, you still sold 50 houses at $10,000 a pop. That's $500,000 in GCI. Okay, do the math, reverse engineer it. If you're spending $460 a month, you could make $500,000 a year in gross commission income in any real estate market. Because even if the market goes down and we go back to the catastrophic days of 2008, 2009, this will work even better because people were definitely trying to sell without losing all their equity, right? And take the money at that time. So even in a good market, will this work? Yes, because certain homes still won't sell. So remember what I said, you want to run a high six-figure real estate business. When I say 6 figures, I'm not talking about $100,000. If you want to run a $250,000 a year real estate business or higher, this must be a leg in your business. And it's only going to cost you $460 a month to do it, right? You're going to call the leads, you have a script, make sure you know what to say. The third piece is, as you start to put this on steroids, you need an inside sales agent to help you do it. All right, so I hope this has been helpful to you. I hope you execute immensely. And the biggest thing is, if you have any questions, make sure you contact me at this number, 678-314-7764. I'd love to help you and help you blow your business up in any market that you're in. All right, so thanks so much. Have a great day.